Home improvements aren't just about comfort, they're also smart financial decisions. For homeowners in Clinton Township, one upgrade that consistently delivers both lifestyle and resale benefits is patio door installation. Whether you're planning to sell in the future or simply want to enhance your home's functionality and appeal, installing modern patio doors can significantly boost your property's value. Strong first impressions matter when buyers tour a home. First impressions carry enormous weight. Patio doors are often a focal point in living rooms, dining areas, or kitchens, and outdated or damaged doors can make a space feel dark or neglected. New patio doors instantly elevate the look of your home, creating a clean, modern appearance that buyers notice right away. In Clinton Township, where many homes feature backyards, decks, or patios, attractive patio doors help showcase outdoor spaces as usable extensions of the home. This visual connection between indoor and outdoor living adds perceived value and makes your home feel more spacious and inviting. Increased natural light and visual spaced natural light is one of the most sought-after features among today's buyers. Modern patio doors, especially sliding glass or large hinged styles, allow more sunlight to flow into the home, making rooms feel brighter and more open. This added brightness can make smaller rooms appear larger and more welcoming, which is a major selling point. Homes that feel open and airy often photograph better for listings and attract more interest during showings, increasing the likelihood of higher offers. Energy efficiency. That buyers appreciate energy efficiency is no longer a bonus, it's an expectation. New patio doors are designed with advanced glass technology, insulated frames, and tight seals that help maintain indoor temperatures year-round. For Clinton Township homeowners dealing with cold winters and warm summers, this upgrade can reduce energy loss and lower monthly utility bills. From a buyer's perspective, energy-efficient patio doors signal a well-maintained home with lower ongoing costs. This can justify a higher asking price and reduce hesitation during negotiations. Improved indoor-outdoor living. Patio doors enhance how homeowners use their space. Easy access to patios, decks, and backyards encourages outdoor entertaining, family gatherings, and everyday relaxation. Buyers increasingly value homes that offer flexible living areas, and patio doors play a key role in creating that flow. In Clinton Township neighborhoods where outdoor space is a major asset, patio door installation helps homeowners fully capitalize on that feature. A seamless transition between inside and outside adds both lifestyle value and market appeal. Modern security and durability. Older patio doors can be a concern for buyers due to weak locks, worn tracks, or outdated materials. New patio doors come with improved locking systems, impact-resistant glass options, and durable frames that enhance home security. Knowing that a home has upgraded doors gives buyers peace of mind and reduces concerns about future repair costs. This confidence can translate into stronger offers and faster sales. Custom styles that match your home. Another advantage of patio door installation is the ability to customize. Homeowners can choose from sliding doors, French-style doors, or multi-panel systems in various materials and finishes. Selecting a style that complements your home's architecture enhances curb appeal and interior design consistency. When upgrades feel intentional and cohesive, buyers perceive the home as higher quality, which positively influences value. A high-return home improvement. Compared to some large renovations, patio door installation offers a strong return on investment. It improves aesthetics, efficiency, functionality, and security, all without the cost and disruption of major construction. For Clinton Township homeowners, this upgrade is a practical way to increase home value while enjoying immediate benefits. Whether you plan to sell soon or years down the road, installing new patio doors is an investment that pays off in both comfort and equity.